guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with This Guy. That's me. Hope you're all really well today. We're now on day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. And I suppose I did have this plan in my head that I would have this finished by Christmas Eve. Right, so I'd have all 12 videos done and dusted, but that hasn't happened, has it? So just like the lockdown, I'm going to extend it because I'm going to do it. Come hell or high water, I will finish 12 days of Christmas. So what we're going to do today, guys, is a Bailey's vlog, a Bailey's cream vlog. So it's Bailey's with some cream and some cookies.